Mm, okay, fine. Yeah. Okay, fine, guys. Let us to begin the today's discussion. Okay, now almost all see 7:24. Okay, fine. Yeah. Guys, in the previous class, in the last class, guys, we were discussing about the classes in the Java and how to create the object in the Java. Guys, in the previous class, in the last class, I have told you people what do you mean by the class. Guys, I hope people are thinking why you are repeating the same thing again and again. Okay, na? I know, guys. Most of the people you had been sent it the message, sir. You are repeating the things again and again, guys. Why? What is the behind the reason, guys? Why I'm repeating the things again and again, guys? Because to make you people understand clearly, because guys this initial concept, this beginning concept, especially guys in the Java, has you people are the beginner right now. Okay, now, so guys, creating the classes and the creating the object, guys, once you people got this basic thing which is related to the Java, the remaining concept, guys, copy paste. Okay, na, something upcoming concept may different, guys, but creating the classes, creating the object is a similar, guys. Okay, na. So guys, in the last, in the beginning class, guys, I have told you people when I was saying the some of the history and the background of the Java, guys. Along with I have said you people, guys, a class is the collection of the two properties, that is the instance variable and the instance method. For example, guys, I have showed you people how to create the class in the Java, guys. For example, you people are having the for example, guys, okay, now for example, you people are having the student, okay, now related data, name of the student, id of the student, similarly, guys, branch of the student, okay, now in which branch the particular student belongs. Okay, fine. Similarly, guys, we are having the one more piece of the data called employee. Okay, na? So employee has the employee name. Employee has the ID. Employee has the particular department in which a particular department the employees are working. Okay, guys. Right now, guys, I am having the student along with the some student details. Similarly, guys, I am having the employee, okay, na, with related employee details. Okay, you are having the student details and the employee details. So, what do you want to do with this particular data? Okay, na, guys, would like to say for you people. Okay, na, guys, if you like to say for you people in Java program, okay, na, guys, this student and the respective details of the student, if you want to take entire details of the student, then guys, if you want to put inside the Java program, okay, na, you want to take the student details and you want to put inside the Java program, guys, if you want to do this a process, the first step, guys, you people have to follow. Java is a saying for you people, hey Java programmer, if you want to take the student details, if you want to put inside the Java program, hey programmer, you have to create the class. How to create the class? Guys, by following the general syntax. Okay, now the way of looking, guys, first you have to specify the class keyword, then followed by the name of the class. Guys, you people only can tell me right now what is the name of the class. Guys, these are my the student details. Okay, now I need to create the class in the Java. This is the beginning process. This is the starting process. Okay, this is how people need to be begin in the Java. Okay, now guys, coming over here. Okay, now guys, this is my student and the student details. Okay, guys, if you want now, guys, what would be the student name? Now, guys, what I will do? This is my dear student. Okay, a class name. Okay, na? Guys, after specifying the class name, okay, na? Guys, opening, closing the flower bracket, okay, now which indicate the body of the class. Okay, inside coming the body, guys, if you after creating the class and the specifying the class name, coming inside the body, what I will do, I will take this each details of the student, I will put inside the class. How to do this, guys? If you want to take the first detail, that is name of the student, okay, now guys, I will say string S should be capital, string name ending with the semicolon. Okay, coming to the next line, again I'm having the ID. Okay, now what is the ID? ID is the detail of the student. Okay, now I will take this ID, I will come inside the class. Okay, now coming to the next line, I will say int ID. Okay, now guys, these are the details of the student. By creating the class called the student, coming inside the class, this is how, guys, I am specifying the each details of the student. Okay, na? Now guys, I'm having one more detail of the student called branch. Okay, na? I will take this data, I will come over here, I will say int, okay, string branch ending with the semicolon. Now guys, according to the definition of the class is saying class is the collection of the two property instance variable. Guys, can you find over here the class which I had created called student? Inside, guys, I had specified one properties of the class, nothing but this name, ID, branch. Guys, these are the one properties of the class. Guys, what do you think? This is one properties of the class. Guys, this is nothing but instance variable where I had handle, guys, by using the where I had handle, guys, all these details of the student using the instance variable. Okay, now guys, okay, now this is the way you are take, guys. This is the way, guys, each details of the student you are taking and putting inside the class. Okay, now for example, guys, you only tell me I'm having the employee and the each employee details. Okay, now guys, what if in the case if I told you what if in the case, guys, if I told you for you people, take each details. Okay, now take this each details and put inside the Java program. Guys, what is the first step? You people are going to be create the class. Okay, now how to create the class in the Java? Class keyword followed by the name of the class. Guys, what it could be the name of the class? Guys, absolutely correct. This is the name of the class, because I am saying, hey Java, this is my name of the class. Okay, now which I am creating. Guys, opening, closing the floor bracket, coming inside the class. Okay, now guys, you had created the class successfully by specifying the name of the class. Now guys, after creating the class, coming inside the body. Okay, now guys, you are having the details of employee, that is employee has a name, employee has a ID, employee has a department. Guys, if you want to take each, okay, now one after to the another, and you want to put inside the class which you created employee, that is, guys, inside the body of the class, guys, you have to be say, okay, now coming over here, I will take this first detail, that is name. Okay, now coming inside the class, I will say string name. Okay, now coming to the next line, guys, what I will do, again I will come over here. I am having the ID, this is the details of the employee. Guys, if I want to put inside the class, so I will say int ID ending with the semicolon. Now coming to the next line, guys, I am having one more piece of the data, that is department, in which department the particular employees are working. Guys, I will take this data after creating the class employee. Coming inside the body of the class, I will say string dpt, okay, department. Now guys, this is the one properties of the class, nothing but this is the instance variable. Okay, now I had declared the variable name, I had declared the variable id. Similarly guys, I had declared the variable called dept, department. Okay, now similarly guys, I had declared the variable, I had declared the variable called a branch. Guys, you people know this is the way we are declaring the variable, specifying the name of the variable, then specify data type. Guys, this entire process we call creating the class in the Java by specifying the name of the class, and inside the class you can specify the instance variable or one more property which is containing by the class, that is instance variable. Okay, now guys, for instance, I will only specify these instance variables. Okay, yeah guys, this is the way of creating the class in the Java. Inside the class you can specify the details, that is student, details of the employee, like this. Okay, now by writing the Java code. Now guys, I have told you people, creating the class in the Java is not enough. What? Creating the class in the Java is not enough. So what you are trying to say, guys, just creating the class in the Java is called the blueprint, guys, or I can say it is the structure. Okay, now guys, what you are trying to say, hey Java, I had created the class called student. Similarly guys, I had created the class called employee. Okay, you had created the class called student, created the class called employee. Inside I am having the one properties of the class, that is instance variable, nothing but name of the student, id of the student, branch of the student. Now coming to over here, name of the employee, id of the employee, depart. Guys, these are the details of each. Okay, student and employee, you are saying to the Java, guys, why do you think just you people are giving the one structure? This is the way how it is look, this is the way how it is look, that is the class of the student, employee of the student. Guys, this is called the nothing but guys, creating the class in the Java, it is called the structure. Okay, for example guys, a real-time example. Okay, for example guys, you want to construct the home. Okay, now guys, can you tell me what is the first procedure you people are going to be follow? You people directly go for constructing the home. Guys, before you people are doing the multiple tasks, before that guys, initially what will people are going to be do? Guys, you people are going to be make the plan. Kitchen has to become over here, hall has to become here. Okay, guys, you people are going to make the plan. Okay, people are going to make the plan. Guys, if I would like to say that plan is nothing but your blueprint, okay, map you are taking. Guys, similarly try to understand, in Java you just create a class by specifying the name of the class, student, employee, like these guys. Along with inside the class, if you specify some instance variable or instance method. Right now guys, I know I had not created any instance method. Okay, right now guys, I had inside the class, this is the body of the class. Okay, inside the class guys, I had specified instance variable. Inside the class, I had specified the instance variable. Guys, this is the thing which I am giving to the Java. Hey Java, you take, this is my the map. Okay, this is my the structure. Okay, guys, this is in the technically word we call as the blueprint. Okay, na? So creating the class in the Java, guys, it is just the blueprint. You are giving the structure to the Java. Okay, you are saying that creating the class in the Java is a blueprint, the structure we are giving to the Java. Hey Java, you take it. After which what? Guys, after creating the class in the Java, you have to create, guys, object. Okay, now you have to create the guys, the first step, you people have to create the class by specifying the name of the class. After which, guys, you have to be created the object for the the class which you had created. Okay, now guys, please try to understand, these are the two important stuff, guys, which is repeating multiple times in the Java. Okay, now guys, you had understood. Okay, right now, guys, you people had understood, guys, how to create the class in the Java. Okay, now guys, how to create the object in the Java. Guys, before you people are going to learning how to create the object in the Java, it's a very easy, guys, by seeing the general syntax, copy paste you people are doing. Okay, now guys, what do you mean by this word called the object? On that time beginning of the class, I am hearing object to object to object. Guys, what is the real meaning of the object? I know, guys, you people had very curious about to see that object, how it is look. On that time, on the beginning of the class, I am hearing object, object, object. See how it is look, how it is look. Guys, I know you people had got some people who got curious about to see how this object look like, because guys, this word called object in the Java is repeating multiple time. Okay, guys, don't worry. See, guys, in simple word, guys, if you, I would like to say for you people to make you people understand, guys, object. Okay, guys, I will show with the diagram. Don't worry. It's not there, guys. I'm not saved. Okay, fine. See, guys, boss. Yeah. Now, guys, what do you mean by the object in the Java? Okay, guys, in the simple word, guys, if you like to show for you people, first of all, how it's a look like. Okay, I want to see how it's a look like, because this is the Java word which is a repeating for the multiple time. And guys, creating the object is the most important in the Java. Okay, later we can understand, guys, some you people create their classes, you people are going to become know what is the importance of creating the object. Okay, in the Java. Okay, guys, okay, coming to the how the objects look like. Okay, guys, in the memory point of the inside. Okay, this is how, guys, an object, okay, look like. Sir, you are serious, sir? Right now you are saying, sir, this is how the object to look like. Sir, it's looking like the rectangle box. No, sir. Guys, please try to understand. This is how the object to look like. Guys, this rectangle box people are seeing right now, this is nothing but, guys, in the technical word, guys, we call object. Okay, guys, object is a nothing but, this is a rectangle box you people are seeing right now. Really, guys, it is nothing but the object. Okay, in the technical word, guys, to entire box you people are seeing now, this is we call technically object. Okay, okay, what is the help use of this rectangle box, nothing but object? Guys, you had created the class here, student class, employee class, you people had created. Guys, inside this name ID branch, name ID department, guys, details of the student, details of the employee, guys, simply if you like to say for you people, Student details, if you specified like this, okay na, instance variable, guys, inside the class, listen carefully guys, inside the class, whatever the properties, it may be instance variable, or right now I had not created the instance method, guys, it may be an instance method, it may be a instance variable, or it may be instance method, guys, all will be come and sit inside this box. Okay now guys, don't worry how they are coming and sitting occupying their places inside this box, nothing but the object. Okay, now later I'm going to be tell you people with the writing lines of the code. Right now guys, you people are getting curious guys, I hope people, some of you people are getting the curious. Okay now, right now you people are the beginner, so most of you people are getting stuck and struggling, what do you mean by this object. Okay now guys, this is nothing but object inside your memory. Okay now guys, fastly guys, let us to learn guys, have the discussion how to create the object for the class. Okay now guys, coming to over here, what I will do, by following the guys general syntax of creating the object. Okay now, yeah, object for the class. What do you mean by this entire line? Okay, we are creating the object for the class. Guys, what is saying general syntax? Hey programmer, if you want to create the object for the class, okay na guys, it is saying that the class which you had created. Right now guys, what is the class which you what is the class which we had been created? Guys, student, one is the employee. Okay na guys, student class, employee class, the class which you had created for these two different object we have to create guys. Don't worry guys, coming to the over here. Okay now guys, what I will do, assignment operator. Okay na, coming to the right hand side. Okay na guys, assignment operator coming to the right hand side. Okay na, coming to the right hand side. Okay na guys, what I will do, I will specify the new keyword followed by the name of the class. Guys, the first class which I had created, that is the student. Okay na guys, for this class, coming over here, okay na, coming over here, I need to specify the class name, open closing parenthesis, ending with the semicolon. Okay guys, after completion of the right hand side, I need to come the left hand. Okay na guys, on coming the left hand side, I need to specify the sorry guys, a reference a variable. Okay na, reference a variable. Okay, I'm not a short form, a reference a variable. Okay na, reference a variable, after which guys, I need to specify once more again a type, nothing but again the class name. Guys, this is the entire line, whatever you people are seeing over here. This is the way of guys, this is the way of creating the object for the class. This is most important guys. Okay na, you are creating the object for whom? For the classes, the class which you had created above. Okay na guys, by looking this entire general syntax. Okay na guys, by looking this entire general syntax, the way of creating the object for the class. Okay na, now guys, what I will do, coming to the next line, assignment operator. Okay, after which guys, by seeing the general syntax, I need to specify the new keyword. Guys, this is the built-in thing in the Java. Somebody is there guys, that person has built this new keyword. Okay now what I'm doing over here, just I'm taking and using it. How? I'm just specify new, that's it guys. Okay, now guys, after which I need to specify the class name. Okay, now what is the class name, guys? If you go above, I had created the class by specifying the name of the class called student. So guys, for this class I need to specify the class name, that is student, because guys above I had created the class, which class? Student. Okay, now guys, opening, closing the parenthesis, ending with the semicolon. Guys, this is your right hand side. Guys, really, if you specify new class name, open close parenthesis, guys, what happens? Now guys, see, if you specify the new keyword, guys, one person will be get activated called JVM. I have told you people, guys, once this person get activated by specifying the new keyword, guys, this JVM what will do, after coming into the picture, this person, guys, by looking this class called student, he go above, guys, above, he travel, who? JVM, travel, go, guys. Once he found the class, guys, student, this student, and what you specified the class name, this student, guys, once this get matches by this person called JVM, immediately guys, it will create this box like this. I've told you people, guys, this is nothing but the object. Guys, this is created by the person called JVM. How this person will be come into the picture? If you specify the new keyword. That's it, boss. Okay, now I hope guys you people are getting my word. After which, guys, by seeing the class, because guys you had specified student has their class name. Okay, na, hey JVM, by looking this class called above, okay, na, above over here, if you found the class, hey JVM, if you found this class successfully, okay, na, guys, repeat to the JVM. So now the JVM will be start working. Okay, na, guys, immediately create the box like this, nothing but guys object. Okay, na, after which, guys, object is created for this class called the student, because you had specified the name, that is a student class name. Okay, na, guys, after object created, guys, by the JVM, immediately, guys, for this object one address will be generated. Okay, now I am assuming, guys, the address it could be 1000. Okay, now if people are getting my point, guys, it's a very important, guys. Okay, now guys, creating the object, creating the class in the Java, it's a very easy, but guys, along with theory part, guys, understanding the memory point of the is a very important, guys. Okay, now, okay, guys, after creating box like this by the JVM, guys, for the class which is specified, after which, guys, address will be created. Okay, now I'm assuming it is 1000. I have told you people, guys. Okay, just once again I'm repeating for you people. Okay, fine, guys. After completion of this right hand side, new keyword, class name, opening closing parenthesis, ending with the semicolon, JVM will be activated, create the object. Okay, na, all these things happen, guys, at the right hand side. After finishing the right hand side, coming to the left hand, okay, na, coming over here, okay, na, guys, by seeing the general syntax of creating the object for the class, nothing but for the student class, guys, I need to specify the reference variable. What do you mean by the reference variable, guys? What do you mean by reference variable? I hope I have told you people. Okay, now, guys, reference variables, guys, what do you mean by the variables? Variables are used to store the data. Similarly, guys, reference variables are used to store the address of the object. Okay, now what is the address of the object? Nothing but, guys, this 1000. So this is the 1000 address of this object. 1000 address of this object. Now guys, I need to specify one name of the reference variable. I need to declare the name of the reference variable. Guys, I will say S1. What is the S1? Guys, if you see the general syntax, reference variable. What do you mean by the reference variable? Store the address of the object. That is, guys, 1000. Okay, na? Guys, this 1000. Okay, na? This 1000, it will come and sit inside this variable. So this variable, it takes the 1000 and store it, collect it. So this is the reference variable. Okay, na? Guys, if you like to say for you people, where this reference variable in the memory allocated, guys, okay, na? Guys, this S1 what we had specified over here inside the code, this S1, guys, it will guys, okay, na, come and sit inside the your memory called stack segment. Guys, this entire box what you are seeing over here, it is called the stack segment. Okay, now I hope guys I have told you people. Okay, now guys, inside the stack segment, within over here, this S1 will be come and sit. Okay, now guys, after which this 1000 address, okay, now address of this object will come and sit inside this S1. Guys, once this address will come inside the S1, a reference variable, guys, immediately, guys, what happened? It start pointing to this object. Okay, now, if this address comes inside this reference variable, because the reference variable store the address of the object. What is the address of the object? 1000. So this 1000 will become and sit inside this S1, immediately start pointing to this object, nothing but to this box, nothing but your object. Okay, now guys, this will be happen, guys, if you specify this S1 has the reference variable. After which, guys, what is the next step? What is the next thing we have to specify? Guys, again the class name. Okay, now this is the general syntax of creating the object for the class. Guys, then I have to specify the this class name once more again over. Guys, this is the way of creating the object for the class which you had been create. Okay, now guys, for the time being, guys, you people have to be create the object for the employee. Okay, now this is the assignment for you people. Try to create the object for the employee with, guys, like this, the memory point of the way. Okay, now guys, this is the box which you're seeing at the left hand side. This is the stack segment. What about this at the right hand side? This box, nothing but the object. Guys, they had been named for this box called the heap segment. Guys, heap segment is especially designed, guys, to store the object. Remember, note down as a note. Heap segment is a design always store the object. If you get the question, guys, where the objects are going to be stored, you have to be, guys, say heap segment. Okay, now this is the place inside the memory where my object, nothing but for this student, okay, now class like box will be created. Okay, now that box is nothing but the object that will store in the place called heap segment. Okay, now guys, for the time being, guys, because I need to be start the today's actual discussion. Okay, now because I had coming once more again to make you people understand, make you people easily, guys, I had repeated once more again. Okay, now guys, for the time being, guys, please try to create the class for the employee. Okay, now and create the object, guys. Okay, now with the memory point of view, understand it. Now, guys, let us to quickly stand the today's actual discussion, guys. Guys, here guys, if you look at these two different example, one is the student class, one is the employee class right now, which I had created. Guys, inside the class, guys, I had specified the one properties of the class. What is the one properties of the class? I had specified, guys, this is the my instance variable. Now guys, according to my definition of the class in the Java, it's saying it is a collection of the two property. One is the instance variable. Right now guys, I had showed you people how the instance variable look by writing the code. Okay na? Then what about this instance method? Guys, okay na? Now guys, let us to understand the entire concept of the instance method. Okay na? What do you mean by this method in the Java? Okay na? Quickly guys, because you people had missed this class, is a very important guys. Almost all guys, you people had came 5% of the Java basics of knowing. Okay na? Creating the classes, inside the class, instance method, instance variable. Okay na? Yeah. I don't want to go guys with most the theory part. I know people are getting the boring. Okay guys, let us to begin guys quickly today actual discussion. Okay guys, okay na? Guys, methods in the Java. Guys, please listen the definition. It's a very interesting guys. Guys, method in the Java are block of the code used for the particular task. Okay na? Used for the particular specific task. Okay na? Guys, what do you mean by this entire line? Okay guys, I'm going to finish within an half an hour, because guys, we had got time wasted by that a link. Okay na? Which you people are said it's not working. Okay na? Okay guys, yeah. Now guys, method in the Java are the block of the code. Okay, block of the code. Why it is a used? Guys, it is saying it is used for the particular specific task. What do you mean by this? Okay na? Guys, what do you mean by this entire line? Actually, the methods in the Java, what they are saying. Okay na? Guys, for example, okay na? Guys, for example, add the two number. Guys, to add the two number, I have the two number, guys, 10 plus 20. Okay na? Guys, if I add this 10 plus 20, I will get the 30 as my the final result. Okay, if I add this 10 plus 20, we'll get the 30 as the final result. Guys, same thing. Okay na? Guys, this entire task, if you want to do in Java within the method, guys, how we can do it? Okay na? Guys, what is the definition? Guys, what is the definition? The method in the Java they are saying. Okay na? So they are the block of the code. Okay, used for the particular specific task. For example, guys, I had showed over here, add the two number. That is, if I add 10 plus 20, okay, now randomly if I take the number 10 plus 20, guys, if I add them, I will get the 30 is my final result. Okay, now guys, how we can do this in Java within the method? Guys, before you people are going to be do this task. Okay, now one task adding the two number, guys, in the Java within the method. Guys, before I would like to say for you people, guys, first of all, guys, let us to understand, guys, the general syntax of creating the method in the Java. Okay na? Guys, to create the method in the Java to perform the particular task, guys, you have to know how the method in the Java look like. Guys, the method in the Java it look like by seeing this general syntax. Okay na? Name of the method, opening closing parenthesis, coming to the next line, opening closing the floor bracket, that is your body of the method. Guys, this is the general syntax of creating the method without no parameter, no data, no input. Don't worry guys, I'll make you people understand. Right now guys, This is the entire general syntax of creating the method in the Java. If you want to create the method in the Java, guys, this is the entire structure you people have to follow, guys. This is the one way of creating the method. Okay, now. Okay, what is the another way of creating the method, guys? If we quickly look at the general syntax, the another way of creating the method, it look, you have to specify the name of the method, opening, closing the floor bracket. Guys, this is the body of the method. Guys, this is the body of the method, return keyword. Okay, na guys, don't be confused. I know you people are not getting. Okay, na guys, just to look out the general syntax. Okay, na this is how the method in the Java look like. Okay, na now guys, if you clearly observe, opening, okay, na closing the parenthesis, in between data types are there, variable names are there, data types, variable names, and follows, guys, with parameter, with data, with input. Guys, if you like to say for you people, this is the one way of creating the method in the Java. Guys, this is the another way of creating the method in the Java. Okay, now guys, if you clearly observe these two ways of creating the method in the Java, here you are specifying the name of the method. Okay, here also specifying the name of the method. Here opening, closing the parenthesis. Here also opening, closing the parenthesis. But guys, if you clearly notice over here, without parameter, nothing but no data, no input. I'll make you people understand, guys, with the example. Okay, now what do you mean by this? Data input, that is a no parameter. Now guys, if you observe clearly over here, data type, variable name, guys, this is with parameter, with data, with input. Okay, now guys, these are the two different way of creating the method in the Java. One is without parameter and with parameter. One is a return keyword, another one is a without return keyword. Okay, now what do you mean by this last, that is a return type? Here also return type, here also return type. Guys, I will take the real-time example to make you people understand this return type. Okay, now what we need to specify the return type. Anyhow, I can understand name of the method means some name I have to specify. How I am specifying while creating the class. Okay, now this is how we can understand, guys. I hope. Okay, now then what do you mean by this return type? Guys, I'll make you people with the real-time example. Now guys, this is the two different way of creating the method in the Java. Okay, now guys, I hope people had got this structure, the way of looking. Okay, now guys, for example, if you like to, okay, now guys, let us to create the one method, guys. Okay, now by following the general syntax. Okay, now guys, by following the general syntax, okay, now according to the syntax, guys, I need to specify the name of the method. Okay, now then opening, closing the parenthesis without parameter. Okay, now guys, let us to create the one method quickly, guys. Okay, now guys, over here, guys, if you observe carefully, I had written here add one. What do you mean by this add one? Guys, this is my name of the method. Okay, now guys, by following the general syntax, specify the name of the method, then opening, closing the parenthesis. Guys, what do you think over here? By following the general syntax, add is the name of the method. Okay, now I have to specify the name of the method. Guys, my add is the name of the method, opening, closing the parenthesis. Okay, now guys, after which, guys, opening, closing the floor bracket, which indicate add body. Okay, now guys, coming inside the body over here, guys. Okay, now what I'm doing over here, guys, hey, add one name of the method, you add this 10 plus 20. Kana? Guys, after adding this 10 plus 20, we will get the 30 is my a final result. Hey, add 1. You add this 10 plus 20. After adding them together, guys, why do you think so? I will get the 30. 30 is my final result. Guys, after which what I will do, whatever the result I am getting, that is the 30, after adding 10 plus 20, hey, add 1, you add this 10 plus 20. After, guys, whatever the final result I am getting, that is 30, I will take this 30 and store inside this separate variable called C. What do you mean by C? C is my the variable, guys, which I had declared, which I had specified the name of the variable. What is the use of this variable? Assignment operator. Coming to the right hand side, hey, add one method, name of the method, hey, add one, you add this 10 plus 20. After adding, guys, I will get the 30. Okay, now, guys, why do you think so? After adding this 10 plus 20, I will get the final result. Guys, after getting that final result, something is there, no, guys, to store this 30. I need something, no. I will take this 30 and store somewhere else. Guys, would like to say for you people, coming to the left hand side, I had declared the variable, I had specified the name of the variable called a C. Hey C, you take this 30, you collect it. Okay, na? You store this 30. Okay, na? What is the data type, guys? That is int, because 30 is a kind of the data, it is the whole number. So I had specified the data type int. Okay, na? After which, guys, coming to the next line, system, okay, na? Hey, system dot out dot print, whatever there inside the C, a print statement in Java, you just print it. Whatever there inside C. What is there inside C? That is 30, guys. So which we had taken and collected inside this C variable. Okay, na? Guys, by looking this general syntax, the one way of creating the method in the Java without parameter, that is no data, no input. Guys, by looking this general syntax, I had created the method. Okay, na? Name of the method, opening closing parenthesis, inside the body, hey, add 1, you add this 10 plus 20. After adding, you will get the 30. I will take and store inside C variable. Okay, now after which, guys, if you want to print the final result, a print statement in Java, that is C, you just to print. One more thing, guys, one more thing. If I say, guys, if I say system dot out dot print C, guys, it will not, guys, it will not print until unless, guys, one more thing you have to be do. That is, guys, calling the method. Guys, please try to understand. You had created the method by specifying the name of the method called add one. Okay, na? Hey, add one, you add this 10 plus 20. Okay, na? After adding at the 30, you are taking, storing inside the variable a C. Guys, after which, guys, to see the final result has my output, what you people are doing? So you people are printing whatever there inside C. Okay, now with this print statement in Java, guys, before it is printing, it has to be executed. No, this line has to be executed by whom? By this add one method. Guys, in Java, not only in the Java, guys, if you go in the JavaScript, After creating the method within the body, if you specify this instruction block of the code and you are saying to this add one method, hey add one method, do these particular task. Guys, if you want to do this particular task, that is adding this two number by this add one name of the method, guys, after which coming over here you have to specify the name of the method once more again. Guys, this is indicate you are calling the method. Guys, this is the creating the method with the body, after which guys you have to call the method. How you have to call the method? How to call the method? Just guys, copy paste. Okay na, nothing but you have to specify the name of the method. Okay na, so first create the method by specifying the name of the method within this body, coming inside the body. Okay na, whatever the instruction you want to specify, whatever the block of the code like this you want to specify, you write. After specifying the block of the code, then guys you have to call the method. How to call the method? By specifying the name of the method. Okay na, I hope guys you people are getting. Guys, this is the one way of creating the method in the Java, that is no parameter. Okay na, no data, no input. Okay na. Now guys, I had specified this void has my return type, because guys general syntax says name of the method body, after which guys you are need to specify the return type. Okay now guys, I had specified the return type void. What do you mean by this void? Why you are specifying this void? Okay now guys, I will say you people later. Okay now guys, coming to the next line. Okay now guys, I hope guys you people are able to see coming over here. I had created one more method guys. What is the name of the method? That is add to. Okay now guys, I'm doing the same task guys. Okay now I'm repeating the same task. Okay now what is the task I'm repeating? Adding the two number. Okay now by guys creating the method different ways. Just understand guys. Okay now guys see, hey add to. Okay now what is the add to? Name of the method. Okay now hey add to, you add this 10 plus 20. Okay now after adding we'll get the final result guys 30. Now guys hey 30. Okay now final result. Okay now return keyword, hey return keyword, you take this 30 as the final result and return back to this h2 add to method. Okay now guys, if you compare this method, especially guys body. Okay now the block of the code which you have written inside this method, the block of the code which you have written inside this method, this is the name of the method add to, this is the name of the method add one. Okay now for two different name of the method guys, what we are doing over here guys, if we clearly observing, hey add one you add, hey add two you add. But guys if we clearly observe over here, after adding guys, that is a 10 plus 20, 30 will get, this 30 we are storing inside the C variable. What about over here? Hey add to, add this 10 plus 20. Guys if we clearly noticing over here, after adding 10 plus 20, 30, I am saying guys this 30, here return keyword, you take this 30 and return to this add to method. It mean guys I am printing, here print statement, you print C. Over here guys, hey add to, after adding this two number, a return keyword, you take this final result that is 30 and return to the add to method. Okay na guys, return keyword. Okay na, in Java it returns to you after performing the task. For example guys, right now over here 10 plus 20. Okay, now what is the task? Adding the two number. Okay, now 10 plus 20. After adding, guys, you will get the 30. Guys, here return keyword. What the return keyword will be do? It return when after performing the task. What is the task? 10 plus 20. Adding the two number. After adding, guys, this 30 here return keyword, take this 30 and return to this name of the method, that is add to. Okay na guys, this is the another way of creating the method, okay na, to perform the particular task. What is the task? Adding the two number. Okay na. Similarly guys, you have to call the method. Guys, methods are not, guys, designed in a such a way. Remember guys, okay na, this is the note for you people. Okay na guys, this is the note for you people, especially when you people are creating the method in the Java. Guys, once you create the method, okay na, once you create the method, after which guys you need to call the method. Because guys, once you create the method add to, okay na, within the body, inside the body, you are giving the task, okay na, add 10 plus, okay na, 20. Guys, after which guys you need to specify the name of the method once more, because this indicate guys, this is we are calling the method. Okay na guys, until unless you didn't call the method, guys, the method which you had created over here add to, until unless you want to call, this task will not execute by this add to method. Guys, methods in the Java are not designed in a such a way that they call by themselves only. No guys, they are not designed in a such a way that they call themselves only. You have to call. How to call? Just specify the name of the method which you had been created. Okay, now remember this guys, this is most important. Okay, now guys, coming to the last, okay na, this is, yeah, coming to the last but not the least guys, the another way of creating the method in the Java. Remember this guys, this is the most important. Okay na guys, coming to the next line guys, same thing you people are doing over here. What you people are doing? Guys, you are creating the one more method. Okay now, how to create the method in the Java? Guys, name of the method. Okay na guys, what is the name of the method? That is add3. Okay na. Now guys, what I'm doing inside the body, okay na, within the body, hey, add3 method, name of the method, you add a, b. After adding them together, okay na, I will take the final result and store inside the C variable. Guys, I'm doing same thing guys, initially the first way of creating the method, okay na, that is 10 plus 20. Okay na, after adding guys, I'm storing inside the C variable. Same thing guys, I'm doing over here, that is add3 method. Okay na, but the thing guys, this is with without parameter guys, this is guys with parameter. Okay now guys, first of all let me make you people clear guys, what do you mean by this parameter in the Java? Okay now, what do you mean by the parameter in the Java? Okay boss. Guys, first of all, I hope guys you people are able to remember the definition of the variable. Variables are used to store the data inside the name of the variable. I hope guys you people are able to remember. Guys, after which guys I have told you people declaring the variable, initializing the variable. I hope guys you people are able to remember. Okay, why you are repeating the same thing again, declaring the variable, initializing the variable? Guys, because if you people clearly see over here, add3 method opening, closing the parenthesis, int a comma int b. Guys, if you clearly notice over here, a is the name of the variable. B is the name of the variable. B is the name of the variable. Guys, along with their containing the data type. Int is the data type. Here also int is the data type. Guys, this entire line, guys, nothing but declaring the variable. Guys, when you declare the variable, if you want to separate, guys, if you're declaring the variable, guys, like this, you are specifying the data type. Respect to data type, people are specifying. Guys, this declaring the variable, okay na, you are taking and you are writing like this, okay na, in the sequential way, one after to the another. Guys, this is nothing but your local variable. Remember, guys, if you specify, guys, like this, when you people are creating the method by specifying the name of the method, okay na, guys, remember, this is your local variable, okay na. Yeah, now, guys, this is a technically we called, guys, int a comma int b parameter. Guys, what this int a int b, what why we are specifying, and what is the role of this int a int b, what they are going to be do? Guys, guys, a variable, guys, it will store some data. This is nothing but initialization of the data, okay na. Guys, please try to understand if you are getting that concept, declaring and initializing. B variable, okay, you had specified int b. What this b will be do? Guys, it may be a, it may be b. Both these different variable, they will store some, collect some data. Okay, guys, now, guys, see, after creating the name of the method, okay na, guys, by specifying the name of the method add 3, guys, what you are doing inside the body, within the body, guys, you are saying a plus b, okay na, after which int c. Coming to the next line, guys, what you people are doing? System dot out dot print. Hey, print statement in Java, you print whatever there inside C. Okay na? Now, guys, what I told you people, guys, at the few minutes back ago, once you create the method, guys, we have to be a call the method. How to be a call the method, guys? You have to specify the name of the method like this. Okay na? So, hey, add 3 method. Okay na? We are calling. Okay na? Guys, along with calling, opening, closing the parentheses, guys, if you clearly notice over here 10 comma 20, okay na, guys, what we are doing over here, we are calling the method add 3 along with your passing some data to this a variable, data to the b variable. How? Guys, if you clearly notice over here 10 comma 20, guys, it means when you call the method add 3, this add 3 get matches, guys. After which, if you specify 10 comma 20, okay na, guys, this 10, guys, this 10 whatever you're seeing over here, this 10, guys, it will go, guys, it will store inside this variable. Guys, once this 10 you specify, okay na, guys, this 10 will be going, guys, once it reaches over here, guys, this 10, guys, once it reaches over here, a variable, guys, it will take this 10 and hold it, store inside it. Similarly, guys, 10 comma, okay na, 20, guys, this 20 will be, guys, it is traveling, it's going. Once he hit over here, guys, once this 20 come over here, this b variable will take this 20 and store inside it. Guys, this is nothing but declaring the variable and initializing the variable. I can say, guys, this is the declaring the variable and these are the values. 10 you store inside a 20 you go and store inside b. Guys, this is how I am doing over here while creating the method. Guys, this is the parameter. Okay, now this is, guys, arguments. Guys, technically we call this 10 comma 20 is the argument, nothing but you are passing the data to a variable, you are passing this 20 has to data to b variable. Here 10 you go sit inside a, here 20 you go sit inside b. Guys, this is the way, another way of creating the method, that is with parameter, nothing but declaring the variable, initializing the value. Okay na, guys, inside the method. Okay na, after which, guys, inside the method assignment operator, coming to the right hand side, what is there inside a? 10. What is there inside b? 20. So what we are doing over here, adding a plus 20 means whatever there inside a, whatever there inside b, we are adding them. Okay, now after adding, guys, that is 10 plus 20, 30 will be get. The final result will you get. Guys, I will take this 30 and store inside this c variable. Okay, now after which I am doing, guys, hey, print statement in Java, you print whatever there inside this c. Okay, now that is 30. Guys, this is going to be printed. Before that, guys, this is going to be added once you call the method, that is add 3 with passing the argument, with passing some value. Okay, now so this value go and sit inside a, 20 will go sit inside b, after which they will add. Okay, now guys, this is the process will be happen. Guys, wait, guys, 1 minute. Yeah, I hope, guys, you people are understood, guys, what I had said right now. Guys, can you, anybody, can you quickly respond, guys? Let me see how many people had got it, the different way of creating the method. Can anybody respond, guys? Hello? You people are alive, guys, over here? I think, guys, you people are the very experienced guys over here. I think, I hope I am teaching, I am saying for the experienced people, because you people had already know about the Java in the advanced way. Can I thinking, guys, I hope so. Okay, guys, fine. I will say to the sir, okay, na, sir, they are not responding, sir, okay, na. Okay, guys, now, guys, what do you mean by this return type in the creating the method in the Java? Okay, you had created the method by specifying the name of the method called add1. Okay, now coming over here add2. Okay, the name of the method coming over here, this is add3. Guys, at the each moment, guys, what we are doing over here, we are specifying the name of the method. We have to be specified, guys, because by following the general syntax. Guys, after specifying the name of the method, I had specified void. Guys, if you clearly notice over here, I had specified the return type, that is the int. Why here void, why here int? I think guys you people are not getting. Okay, na? Guys, if you would like to make you people clear, guys, void is the return type, int is the data type. Okay, you had specified void over here. Why you had specified the data type int? Guys, this is called the return type. Now guys, once you people are creating the method by specifying the name of the method, okay na, after which guys coming inside the body guys, now guys add one, okay na, hey add one, you add this 10 plus 20, okay na, after adding them together the final result 30 guys we're taking and storing inside the C. Now guys, coming to the next line, here print statement in the Java, you print whatever there inside C. Guys, you people guys can tell me guys, you people are able to find return, any return keyword guys like this had used before? Right now I had specified guys, before it was like this, okay na. Now guys, you people are able to find this return keyword in this method called add one, that is inside the body? No guys, then remember you have to specify the return type void, okay na guys, simple, okay na. After performing the task inside the body, for example guys 10 plus 20, okay na, after adding you are storing inside the C, after guys you are printing whatever there inside C. Guys, you are not specified return keyword like this over here inside the add one method. Then guys, your return type you have to specify void. Okay, now it should be the void. It mean guy, you are not returning the anything. Now guys, coming to the over here, add to is the name of the method. Hey, add to, you add this 10 plus 20. After adding them guys, I will get the final result guys, that is the 30. Now guys, what I'm doing over here, instead of collecting inside one separate variable, what I'm doing over here return keyword, built-in keyword, by specifying this return keyword, here return keyword, you take this 30, okay, now the final result you return to the add to method, okay na guys. After performing the task, what is the task we are performing? 10 plus 20, adding the two number. After adding this two number guys, we are saying here return keyword, take this 30. It mean guy, by specifying this return keyword, you are returning to the method called add to. It mean guy, the return type it should be a int. Why int only? Why not float? Guys, if you clearly observe over here, 10 plus 20, after adding this 10 plus 20 guys, what is the result we are getting? 30. 30, which data type have to be follow? Guys, 30 is my whole number. It mean my data type it should be a int. Okay na guys, for example 10 plus 20 guys, if I adding 10 plus 20 comma 6, for example guys, if I am saying hey add to, you add 10 plus 20.6 guys, I will get the result in the form of the point, okay now. If I get for example 0.6, okay now, something like I will get guys. After guys, what is the return type guys? After performing the task, that is 10 plus 20 comma 6 guys, after adding them this together, I will get the 30.6, okay na guys. Based on your final result, what is the output you are getting, the return type I should be replaced int with the float, okay na. It mean guys, when you are specifying this keyword return, performing the task, what the result you will get, based on the result coming over here, you need to specify the return type, okay na guys. These are the two different way of specifying the return type while you are creating the method in the Java. Okay, na? Remember guys, you people had learned over here in the creating the method in the Java. Okay, na? One guys, first step people have to follow. Okay, na? Guys, when you create a method in the Java, okay, na? Guys, create the method in the Java. The first step you have to specify the name of the, okay, na? Name of the method, opening closing parenthesis, after which guys you have within the body, okay na, that is inside the, okay na, inside the body you will write the code, okay na. It may be a single line of the code, it may be a block of the code, okay na. After which guys you are calling the method. How to call the method guys? Specify the name of the method. That's it guys. Okay, na? Guys, you people need to follow these 3 steps. Okay, na? One guys, while you are creating the method in the Java, okay na, you have to follow these 3 steps. Okay na? Specify the name of the method, within inside the body specify the code, after you need to call the method guys. How to call the method? By specifying the name of the method. After which guys, one more important step, that is you have to specify guys, that is third step, sorry, return type guys, that is void. Depending upon your code, it may be a void return type or it may be a data type return type. Okay na? Guys, these are the steps you people need to follow guys when you are creating the method in the Java. Okay na? Now guys, these are the different way of creating the method. Okay guys, quickly guys, 10 minutes guys, let us to finish this creating the method in the Java. Okay, I will take only a 10 minutes guys. Okay, we are end up in the today's section guys. Right now guys, we had created the method in the Java by following the general syntax. Okay, now these are the 2 ways of creating the method. One is you are specifying the one way guys without parameter, that is no data type, no variable guys. One more is the data type with the variable. Okay na guys, over here guys I had created the method add1, add2, add3 by specifying the name of the method guys. This is not enough in the Java guys. What I want to say for you people, this is the way of creating the method in the Java guys. Remember, in Java method guys, okay, had created, okay, yeah, advancedly had created. Okay guys, remember, methods in Java always inside the class. What do you mean by this? Method in Java always inside the class guys. You had created these 3 different method with the return type guys. Methods in Java always inside the class. It means guys, you have to be create the class. How to create the class guys? By specifying the name of the class. So guys, I will say create, okay na, method guys, opening add 3, okay, closing guys. Method in the Java always inside the class. It means guys, first you need to create the class by specifying the name of the class, opening the bracket guys, then you have to create the method. Okay na? Create the class inside the class. So that's why methods in Java always, no option, always inside the class. So create the class guys. After creating the class, you need, if you want to create the method guys, you can create. Okay na? Guys, you people know, once you create the class in the Java, inside you people having guys, inside right now, Right now guys, inside this class we were having the one properties of the class, that is guys, this is the instance method. Guys, I have told you people, creating the class in the Java is the blueprint. What are the reals? Objects are real. It mean guys, if you want to execute this add one, add two, okay na, add three with a body guys, that is adding the two number guys, then you people have to be go to create the object for the class, okay na. That is guys, this is the statement guys which stand, this is the entire statement guys which is indicate, I have told you people, entry point of execution. That is the main method we call guys, okay now. This is the main method in the Java, it indicate entry point of execution, okay now. Now guys, coming inside this method, okay guys, I'm going to explain you people in the upcoming class this entire thing, okay now. What do you mean by this entire line? Now guys, coming inside the class assignment operator, guys, I have told you people how to create the object, nothing but that rectangle box like this, it should be created. No guys, to create this rectangle box guys, this box nothing but your object, okay na. Guys, if you want to create like this, you need to specify the new keyword, okay na. After which guys, creating the method guys, this is the name of the class, okay na. Yeah, okay na guys, this is the name of the class, okay na. Now guys, what you people are doing over here, to this class by specifying this new keyword, hey JVM, you go to this class called create method, then you create box like this, nothing but object, okay na. Guys, I have told you people, after creating the object, okay na, by this person called JVM, okay na. Guys, he come inside the class, okay na. After coming inside the class guys, this add one, okay na, add two, okay na, the name of the method guys, this add three, okay na, add two, okay na, this add one guys, name of the method, he take guys each name of the method, then he allocate guys in this box, okay na guys, like this. So add one, it will be allocated over here in the stack segment. Similarly guys, we had created the one more method, that is the add to. So then my JVM, this person called JVM, he come over here by seeing this name of the method called add to, he go to the stack segment, he come inside the stack segment, then he create the add to. It means guys, the memory allocation will be happening. Then guys, he go to the one more method called add 3. So if you found one more method by the person called a JVM, guys, he take this add 3 because we had created the method guys, add 3, name of the method. So guys, he go inside the memory, that is stack segment, he come inside the stack, then he allocate add 3. Guys, this how the allocation will be happening inside the memory once you create the object guys, okay now. Sorry guys, once you create the method, okay now, by specifying the name of the method, add 1, add 2, add 3. Then guys, after which he come to the JVM guys, then he go for then guys, then the JVM will go for searching, okay na. Any methods are created by the programmer? No guys, if he didn't find any method, then guys, my, okay na, this JVM, okay na, he come guys where he had gone, okay na, he come to over here guys, okay na. guys, this is my process which I call right hand side. Okay, now guys, the right hand side work is over. Specify the new keyword, class name. JVM will become by seeing this class. He create the object in the heap segment. Address will be created. Okay, guys, this will be happen at the right hand side. Okay, once you specify the new keyword, class name. Okay, after which, guys, coming to the left hand side, this is my left hand side. Okay, now guys, according to the general syntax, I need to specify the reference variable. Okay, variables are used to store the data, but what are the reference variable? Guys, reference variables are used to store the address of the object, nothing but this 1000. I'm assuming this is the address of my object. Okay, guys, this 1000 will be come and sit inside this. Okay, this is not S1, that is a C1. Okay, yeah. Okay, guys, if I specify the C1, this C1 will be allocated, guys, inside my stack segment like this. Okay, so this is the C1 is the reference variable. What do you mean by the reference variable? Which take this 1000. Okay, guys, which this 1000. Okay, address come and sit inside this C1 like this. And then, guys, immediately my this C1 reference variable which store this address 1000 immediately pointing to this entire box, nothing but my object. Okay, which I had created for the class called creating method, name of the class. Okay, after which, guys, you have to specify the type, nothing but the class name. Guys, this is the way you people are creating the method. Sorry guys, this is the way of creating the object for the class which you had created. Okay, then guys, all this, okay, inside the class, this is my class name. Okay, this is my class name. Inside the class, guys, name of the method, guys, which will come and sit like this inside this box, nothing but stack segment. Then, guys, my execution will be happen. Okay, that take place. Okay, add 1 will be execute, add 2 execute, add 3 execute. Okay, so add 1 will execute and display the desired result has the output, nothing but adding the 2 number. Okay, 30 I will get. Okay, then, guys, once this add 1 is executed, okay, it is going to, guys, what happening over one more thing, guys. Once methods are created inside the class, guys, this add 1, add 2, add 3. Now add 1 is start executed. Okay, inside the body, what is the code you have written, what is the task you have written? Add the 2 number. Okay, that is this one. Okay, add the 2 number, 10 plus 20. Okay, because after adding, after printing by this add 1, guys, what happened, guys? Then this add 1 will be taken out of the stack segment. It means, guys, after performing the a task by the add 1 method, add 1 will be popped out from this stack, because add 1 work is over, it executed. Okay, similarly, guys, add 2. Okay, now add to start executed. What the add to start executed? Add to start executed, same, adding the 2 number. Okay, add, hey, add to add this 10 plus 20. Then a return keyword, you return this 30, the final result to add to, guys. After displaying on the output screen 30.60 has my output, after finishing the execution of the add2, then add2 will be a pop product, because he had executed his work successfully, he had got the output, then guys he popped out from the stack segment. Similarly guys, when add3 start executed, okay na, when this method guys start executed, okay na, then guys once you got printed this 30, okay na, on my output screen, it means guys add3 started execution and completed the execution, okay na. After starting the execution, completing the execution guys, my add3 will be popped out from the stack segment, okay na, they will go out from the stack segment, okay na. Guys, this is how the execution will be take place, okay na. He start executed, after completion executed guys, each method inside the stack, no, it will be a, after execution it will be a popped out, it means he come out of the stack, okay na. Guys, this is how guys execution will be take place at the each time, okay na. Yeah guys, this is the guys different way of creating the method, okay na. Specify the name of the method within the body, specify the block of the code. Hey add1, you perform this activity, okay na, you perform this task, add these two number, okay na. Guys, at the each moment when we are creating the method guys, by specifying the name of the method within inside the body, we are specifying one task, okay na. So that task is performed by your method, okay na. Ha guys, one more thing guys, last thing guys, I had forgot to say you people, okay guys, we had finished guys, okay na. Now guys, I have told you people, once you people are creating the method guys, like add1 guys, after creating the method you are calling the method, okay na. Guys, in the Java, the way of calling the method guys, how you people have to be a call, very important guys, okay na. C1 dot add 1, like this you people have to call guys. Over here initially, okay na, before guys, before without creating the class, I have told you people directly, okay na, by specifying the name of the method. But guys, once you created the method, once you are calling the method, the way of calling the method in the Java like this, okay na, not like this, okay na, not like this, okay na, for to make you people understand written directly, okay na. Guys, after creating the class, I'm creating the object for the class like this guys, with the reference variable, okay na. Using this reference variable guys, I have to be call the method like this, okay na. You people are getting my point guys. Guys, we are having the one more method. How to call the method? Reference variable dot operator, then name of the method, that is add2, okay na. Then guys, this add2 method will be a call. Then guys, we are having one more method. How to call the method? Reference variable, that is C1 dot operator, going into the object add, okay na, a 3, okay na. Guys, this is the simple way of calling the method, okay na. Guys, if you directly specify the name of the method guys, it won't call and it won't execute, okay na. Guys, reference variable dot operator, reference variable dot operator. This is how guys, at the each moment you have to call the method, the method which you had created inside the class, okay na. Guys, this is the way of calling the method, okay na. Using this reference variable guys, we are calling the method, because guys, if you see this my entire object, who is pointing, my C1, the reference variable is pointing to this entire object, okay na. That why the reason guys, we have to be go with help of this reference variable, okay na. Guys, not like this, okay na. This is the to make you people initially understand, okay na. I have written like this, okay. This is not the way of calling the method, okay na, because guys the because before guys I just specified the name of the method, I didn't created the class, okay na. So directly had a written, okay na, the calling the method, okay na. Guys, this is not the way of calling the method, okay na, after creating the class. Guys, this is not the way of calling the method, okay na. After creating the class guys, inside the class, to the class creating the object, after creating the object, reference variable with the reference variable name of the method over, okay, it will start execute, okay na. Guys, this is the way of calling the method in the Java, okay na. Yeah, so okay guys, this is the today's discussion we had, okay na, the different way of creating the method in the Java, okay na. Okay guys, I'm end upping the today's discussion, okay na. Guys, the most of you people, you are asking the recorded section, okay na. I know guys, you people don't want to attend the class, okay, don't want to listen the class. Don't worry guys, attendance are marked over here, okay na. We are seeing on the monitor the people who are attending with their names, okay na. And don't worry guys, we are getting your IDs from your respective colleges, okay na. Okay guys, I'm today end upping with my discussions with you people. Tomorrow we can begin the class guys. Thank you so much guys for attending the today's section, even though as a Sunday, okay, people had attended, okay fine.